Hello and welcome to another update video about Kronos, Crypto.com. Prices come from Bittrex. I always disregard here these wicks, this strong wick to the upside and this wick to the downside. My view is that these were glitches or errors because you can find these on no other exchange, so I won't take them into account into any calculation with FIBs or anything. Now, what is happening here with Crypto.com or Kronos? Could it have seen the low of the correction already? And I think it could. Yeah, it could, because it did here an ABC correction. The C wave did come below the wave A. We have come into the 61.8% FIB area, yeah, below that. And depending on how you draw the FIBs, so this target area is based on the higher level wave count. I think we can certainly get into this range between 27 and 17 or 18 cents if Bitcoin does another sell-off imminently, yeah. Then we would drop probably below the yellow line here, the 200-day moving average, which is currently supporting the price from below, yeah. So this 200-day moving average is currently sitting at 37 cents. However, at the moment, the price has stabilized a little bit above 42 cents, so above the 61.8% FIB level. And we've made a higher low. But overall, what we need to understand that the whole market is still in a correction. So, and there isn't too much more space to the downside. I mean, the key support levels I can give you already here. That is, first of all, the 42 cent level. That's the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. And then below that, you've got that wave C low, the significant low here at 33 cents. You will probably also see that this was or is an important support level if we take a look and at the VPVR. And that was... So here on the VPVR, you can see that this area is sticking out really, where we had the wave C low here. And this will be support at 32 cents. And then you have the next FIB level, which is here at 27 cents. And then below that, 18 cents. Now, if we ever get to 18 cents, I don't know. Theoretically, we could say it has completed its correction because it has done a very nice ABC correction, yeah. Just not very happy where it found support. However, does it maybe look different if we, if we use the FIBs like that, based and starting from here, but I don't really want to start from here. Because if I start from here, I basically start in the middle of nowhere. If I start at this low, you would normally need to start here at the beginning of this wave, which would be here. Or maybe you could even argue you start here, but even then you don't really... Yeah, so only if I use this low here on the 28th of September, then I get to a point where the wave C low ended at the 78.6% FIB level. Not really convinced about that. I would rather use this low down here to start the FIBs at the beginning of the wave, and then it would mean that we would ideally have to come back at least to 27 cents, okay? Let's see. Overall, we don't have a confirmed uptrend yet, I have to say that. Yeah, we are still... Even though we have throughout held above the 200-day moving average, and in my view that is a sign of strength for Kronos, we have held above the 200-day moving average. The price has dropped again below the 50-day moving average just today, yeah? So the 50-day moving average is above, is at 43 cents. So you can see, if I go to the smaller time frame, how the price is getting squeezed between that FIB level, the 61.8% FIB level, and the 50-day moving average here. So it's really getting squeezed now. So there will be a decision moment here shortly. And if we can also, and that is probably important, we can draw, let's see, I think probably something like a triangle here that leads us into an apex of a potential breakout point. It's always important to understand if you have any kind of a triangle, not necessarily to predict where the breakout will be, but to understand that we are heading close into an apex and there will be some sort of a big move, because it's a huge triangle, and a move to the downside will take us into the blue target area here. A move to the upside would take us comfortably into the region of that wave B top here at around 65 to 68 cents, okay? However, what is going to happen imminently? So if I take a look on the daily chart, we can see, can we expect up or downside? So On the daily RSI, we've just moved back into the bearish range. That actually indicates further downside movement, below 50. The MACD on the daily also, after a very short bullish MACD crossover, we're already losing buying pressure. You can see it here. It's already turning light green. And if the bulls can't win that back, we're going to see a bearish crossover on the daily. I am pretty certain we already see one on the 8-hour chart. No, not yet, but also here it's losing buying pressure, and you're going to see probably tomorrow that bearish crossover here. On the 4-hour chart, you already see it. And in my view, that will translate into the daily, and you're going to see prices drop from here, and also a sell signal on the daily stochastic RSI, which is a bit more volatile than the normal RSI. And from here, then what you would expect, I mean, that can hold here for a time period, but it means that we're already here sort of on the overbought side, which also would indicate rather dropping prices. So I wouldn't be surprised if here to the end of the week we would drop. I mean, especially because we are sort of at the resistance here currently of that triangle, to drop once more to the support level at least, and then we need to see, do we break out of this triangle to the downside or not. At the moment, it's, I mean, I don't know, we need to see. We certainly have the 200-day moving average there, and if we lose the 200-day moving average, I mean, then you're going to see here quite a significant price drop, and then we can without a problem get into that blue target area there. And the target area, if you think, why is the target area there? It's purely the area where most altcoins are going to see the completion of the correction. Absolutely. Looking at the EMA ribbon, where are we here on the daily as well? Dropped below it, so also a rather bearish sign. So I'm not convinced of the bullishness here at the moment of the chart. So dropped below that as well on the daily, probably on the 8-hour as well. Dropped below it and currently trying to get through again, but with a small green candle. But here also getting squeezed the price. The 4 here with still fighting here on the 4-hour chart with the EMA ribbon, but I mean, currently finding support here at this 61.8% fib level. And I think we can see, I mean, we're currently at support, 61% fib level. So anybody, of course, it would be a potential short opportunity if that gets broken, but that's up to you. Ideally, even better short opportunity would have been up here, but that's too late now. But I can only tell you we're here at the support level. If that gets broken, maybe retest it. That could be something, but I'm not going to do that. That's up to you. But overall, I would expect primarily here further price drops. All right, I'll keep you updated about Kronos. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And also leave a comment for the algorithm. And if you want to see more content, if you like the content, then check out my channel membership. You can do that on my website or here on YouTube. And as channel member, you can see my own buy and sell orders. You can join the Telegram live chat, the Discord server with lots of resources for beginners and advanced people. And you can join a weekly live stream, okay? All right, so hopefully you like the update, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.